Fish Creek Falls. Into an aspen forest. I'm digging this Fish Creek trail, even though it's raining. Steady and fun. Good morning. That's Long Lake. I guess it's actually noon also. We left Steamboat Springs this morning. And now we've been taking the Fish Creek trail back up to the CDT. And it has been beautiful. Waterfalls and wildflowers. I mean, yeah, gorgeous. Even though it's been raining the entire time. But it's just sprinkling, so it's not so bad. And honestly, it's been great. Also, it helps that tendonitis on the top of my foot. Whew. It was hurting a lot. The roadwalks, I think, were making it a lot worse too. But I looked some stuff up on the internet. And I also called Fresh Ground, and I did all the things he told me to do. Iced it, rested, got some ibuprofen, and I got KT tape. Actually, it's not KT tape, but it's the same kind of thing. Watched a video on how to tape it, and I taped it up this morning. And it's really not hurting. It's so nice. Because I thought that maybe I had fractured my foot when I fell on the lens. I was really nervous. Yeah. But it's okay, I think. And the hike's going well. And we found our friend Steady Eddie, which is so good. Hey, Bonnie. Let's go for a ride. There's another sheep herders thing. Shepherd? I don't know. That means there's probably sheep up here. There goes Steady. And wait for this. Hey, Colorado. Looking good. Roadwalk treat. Never really done this before. Well, we have a 10-mile road walk, maybe 11 miles, but the scenery is pretty nice. And since I taped up my foot and I took some ibuprofen and I did yoga this morning, my foot feels so much better. Like, I honestly thought maybe I had a fracture or something. It was bad. And the road walks were killing me. But yeah, seems to be okay now. So I'm pretty excited, and I'm not dreading this. Water gathering pose. Not bad. Oh yeah. Even National Forest. Wow. He said 20% chance of rain. I said 80% chance it won't because I'm an optimist. But it appears he was right. Man. Steady. Doesn't look great.